isa akong nurse na mahilig gumala.
My travel vlogger era started in 2023.
After kong nag-resign sa previous job ko na home care nurse, nag-start akong gumala around Dubai kasi parang sabi ko sa buong 2 years ko ng Dubai, hindi ko pa na-explore yung Dubai. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung mga magandang places. So, nag-start akong gumala, patapos na yung COVID nun eh. Nag-settle down na yung mga quarantine nun. So, nag-start akong gumala, tapos nag-take ako ng mga pictures. Tapos, pinost ko yun sa Instagram. Mahilig na kasi talaga akong mag-travel before pa ako nag-abroad. Kasi yun yung parang yung family ko mahilig talaga ng adventure and travel. So, nag-start ako mag-post. Tapos ang daming mga nagla-like, ang daming doon parang na-ignite yung parang excitement ko. Ay, ang dami kong nare-receive na positive feedback sa photos ko. Maraming nag-share, maraming nag-follow. After nun, patuloy pa rin ako sa pag-explore sa Dubai. Siyempre, picture-picture pa rin ng peg. Hindi pa uso yun yung mga influencer that time.
Para sa akin, it's a way to recharge pagkatapos ng isang mahabang linggo ng pagtatrabaho. And when you travel, you also learn.
For me, ang pag-travel talaga is very, very important because ang dami-dami mong matututunan sa culture ng ibang country. For example, nag-travel ka, tsaka marami ka rin matutunan sa self mo talaga. Like, ay, kaya ko palang gawin to. Ay, kaya ko palang mag-plan ng sarili kong itinerary, mag-book ng sariling ticket, especially pag nag-solo ka, solo travel. Tapos, ay, kaya ko palang mag-ask ng direction sa ibang tao. Marami kang ma-rediscover sa self mo pag nag-travel ka. Knowing na may pinunta pala yung pera mo na pinaghirapan mo. Parang may memory ka, ay nakapunta ako dito kasi pinaghirapan ko yan, pinag-ipunan ko, pinagtrabahuan ko. Parang ang sarap sa feeling, mas nakakawala ng stress. Ang dami ko pang gusto mong marating. Gusto ko pang mag-increase yung genuine followers. Gusto ko pang maka-reach out ng more people, but not just that, also brands. Tourism brands. Yun talaga yung parang target ko. Gusto kong i-invite ako ng tourism board ng ibang country para to visit them.
Bukod sa pagiging nurse, may iba pa palang nakalaan ang tadhana para sa akin.
As a content creator, I could say that I made it because I am now a tourism ambassador for Dubai and Abu Dhabi, which is a great achievement. If you're a travel content creator here in the Middle East or in the UAE, parang it's an honor to be a tourism ambassador of Dubai and Abu Dhabi. It's a great pleasure to work with the government. Parang ang saya sa feeling, like, ang dami mong sponsored experience. Kaya sabi ko parang nalibot ko na yung buong Dubai kasi dahil sa aking mga sponsored experiences. Alam na akong dinayad pero I'm so happy. The activities, the adventures that I like to do na if it's not sponsored, I would pay even. I'm just so happy and blessed and grateful na nakita din naman ng government yung parang hard work mo na i-promote yung Dubai.
Kaya naman, I am very grateful sa lahat ng pagkakataong maibahagi ko ang aking travel experiences sa social media. At bilang isang global Pinoy, alam kong dapat ko itong ingatan.
People here are looking up to you and people here are all like international, and whenever they have Filipino friends, they are very happy to have. Like, they're always like saying, oh, I have a Filipino friend, which is very nice, she's very kind and very smiling. Which is makes me also very proud to hear that from other people who are living here na international din. And also patients and also the employers. They prefer Filipino nurses whenever they're hiring. So parang nakaka-proud talaga na isa kang Filipino. And even if you're not a nurse, if you're Filipino and working abroad, like People love you because of your character, your personality. Hindi naman pwedeng nasa abroad tayo, work lang. Tapos padala ng pera, work. Parang wala nang purpose yung buhay mo kundi magtrabaho na lang.